Hi guys, good morning. Good morning to everyone. My voice is clear. Am I audible? Guys, am I audible? All right. Okay. And yeah, you guys are observed here. Yeah. See, yesterday we discussed complete notes. Okay. The notes is completed. Okay. And today we are going to discuss about TDM. Okay. TDM, test data management. See, you guys are observed here. If you want to create a test data management, we need to create the schemas. Schema is like a test data management. Okay. See, uh, first of all, we need to create one schema. How you guys are able to create the schema? If you want to create the schema, we need to select the test design, test case design. We need to select the test case design. Once you guys select the test case design, under this test case design, you need to select the sheet. In this sheet, we need to provide one name, employee details, employee details. Once you guys are creating the employee details, once you guys are create the sheet, you guys are right click on here and select the attribute and right click on here, select the attribute. Just I want to create three attribute. The first one is the employee name, employee name, and next one is the employee name, and the next one is the employee age, and the next one is the employee role. The next one is the employee role. Yeah, I was created one sheet. Once we creating the sheet, and we need to provide TDM. We need to provide the TDM. How you guys are able to provide TDM? And if you want to provide the TDM and you guys are choose a column, if you want to provide the TDM, you guys are select the choose a column. And once you guys are choose the column, and here we have a TDM is there. Here we have a TDM is there. And you need to use TDM. We need to select the TDM. Uh, 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 uh. Um, 1 minute. Employee detail. And here we need to provide this one. Column chooser. Yeah. We need to provide the TDM. Once you guys are provide the TDM, you need to check, and you need to check this one. Once you guys are check all the check boxes and right click on the sheet and right click on the sheet. Open new window, and here create a schema for TDM. We are expecting one option here. Create a schema for TDM. Detail distribution from clipboard. Actually, we are expecting here create a schema from one symbol. Create a schema for TDM. We are expecting here, but it should not display it here. What happened? Actually, we are expecting one create a schema for TDM option. Description. What happened? Modify. Just case design. Just case design. I think maybe this is not a paid version of open source. This is maybe it is not available, I think. Actually, earlier it is available. When I update this Tosca software, it is gone. Actually, we have once we right click on here, it should be displayed one tricentennial symbol. Tricentennial symbol. That is Celtic schema for the TDM. It should be displayed here. The option. And earlier, 2 months back is there. I was update the software. That is the issue when we are installed open source, we are unable to get some options. This is instance and this is the temp object is CF folder. Missing reference update instance wait. Convert to attribute instant copy to clipboard. And here auto wait reset. And here DTM is there. Guys, you guys are verify in your mission DTM is available or not. Basically, if you want, once we click on right click on here, right click on, what is that one? Duplicate instance, create a instance value, create a attribute, create a okay. When we are click on the right click on that sheet, here it should be displayed one tricentennial symbol. Tricentennial symbol. Okay. If you want to click on that one, it will be convert to the TDM. It will be convert to the TDM. You guys have checked once in your mission the that is available or not. TDM. Once right click on the sheet, it should be displayed one tricentennial symbol. Okay. One tricentennial symbol, it should be displayed. That one also I will show you. Yeah, this symbol, guys. This symbol. Once right click on this one, you people are able to get this symbol. Okay, right click on the test here. We have that symbol is available. The symbol is available. Once you guys are select this symbol, that will be convert to TDM. Right click on here, and once we click on this one, right click, and once we create the Once we convert the TDM, after that one, when we are click on this one here, which should be displayed one more option, create a class. Here should be displayed one more option. In test case design level, once we right click on here, 1 minute. Yeah, see here, create a class, but here it should not there. Create a, after once we convert to the TDM, we need to select the create a class, that is second next time. Okay, that is we are able to create. This is a folder, this is okay. TCP project, TDM project. There is no option, is not available. Yeah, here it should be displayed on class. Okay, for example, once we convert, this is when we are able to create after convert the TDM, we are able to create class. After convert the TDM, we are able to provide class. See the employee, where is the employee? The employee is the TCS employee. Okay, he's the TCS employee. Now I need to create a attributes here. Now I need to create a attributes here. Okay, the first name is the TCS EMP ID. The next one is the location. The next one is the date of joining. Okay, see, you guys are observe. If you want to convert this one, you need to check. You need to check here. You need to check here. Once you guys are convert this one here, yeah, here also we are expecting same thing. Here also we are expecting same. Create a schema. Create a schema for TDM. This is when we people are able to get this one. Create a schema TDM. Right click on here. Right click on here. Here one symbol, Tricentis symbol is there. That is happened real time, guys. You guys are convert that one. You should be displayed one pop-up. You need to click on OK button. Okay, you need to click on OK button. Once you guys are click on OK button, then you guys are select this one. You guys are select both and right click on here. You guys are select both and right click on here and right click on here. Once you right click on here, here we have one option is there. Here we have one option is there, show TDM object. Show TDM object. There is no option. The TDM is not there. Once we click on show TDM object, then it should be displayed one test data management. One test data management. That is the process basically. Okay. Basically, first of all, we need to create the test case design. Once you guys are create the test case design, we need to provide the expected attribute. Once you guys are provide the expected attributes, and you need to create one TDM. Once you guys are create the TDM, right click on the sheet level. Right click on the sheet level. Once you guys are right click on the sheet level, then it should be displayed. Create a schema for TDM. Create a schema for TDM. That is when you guys are able to install the paid version. the TDM is available. The TDM is available. But modules is available here. You guys are observe. Modules is available here. See, test data services modules is available. Okay, but the option is not available. Modules, the open source modules is available, but the option is not available. The option is not available. Okay, if you want to do the TDM, must and should first we need to create a one sheet. Once you guys are create the sheet, in sheet level, right click on here, and column chooser. Once you guys are choose the column, you are expected you need to drag and drop here. Once you guys are drag and drop here, and you need to right click on the sheet. We need to right click on the sheet. Then it should be displayed TDM. Then it should be displayed create a schema for TDM. You need to click on create a schema for TDM. Once you guys are click on the create a schema for TDM, then it should be displayed one pop-up. Then it should be displayed one pop-up. After that, and you guys are create a one class. You guys are create a one class. In this class, you need to provide expected attributes. Once you guys are provide the attributes, you need to select the three columns checkbox, and this one also you need to right click, and here we have one option is there, create a schema for TDM. Once click on that one, and you need to right click on here, this test case design level. Right click on here. Once you guys are right click on here, we have one option is there like here show distribution by object type is there. Same like here also it should be displayed show TDM object editor. Show TDM object editor. Then it should be displayed here show TDM object editor. Once you guys are click on the show TDM object editor, then it should be displayed one test data management. See, this employee details is object and TCS is object. If you want to select the drop down employee details, you are able, it should be displayed this one. This columns it should be displayed. If you want to select the TCS, then it should be displayed these columns. Okay, you need to provide the information inside of the employee name, age and role under the table. Okay, that is the process. Basically, if we don't have an access for TDM in this open source. Okay, if I have an access in the for TDM to TDM, definitely it should be displayed the schema option. Okay, I will check once. We have any option is there or not. Yeah, 1 minute guys. Yeah, see guys, just a minute, I will check in settings. We have any other options is there or not. Just still it is loading. Basically, once we are providing the TDM, then it should be displayed automatically, but here it should not display. In earlier, I was update the software. That is the maybe that is the problem. Hey, stop. Let's wait. Still, it is loading, guys. Yeah, or else you guys start the writing. Or else start writing. TDM. You guys are put the heading TDM. Yeah, write down. If we want to create a test data management, if we want to create a test data management, we need to choose the test case design module. If you want to create a test data management, if we want to create a test data management, we need to choose the test case design. Test case design. Okay. Next one. Next one. Here, create a sheet for TDM. Here, create a sheet. Here, create a sheet for TDM. Here, create a sheet for TDM. Here, create a sheet for TDM. Okay, full stop. Next line. Once we create the sheet, we need to provide the attributes. We need to provide the expected attributes. Once we create the sheet, we need to provide the expected attribute in sheet level. We need to provide the expected attribute in sheet level. We need to provide the expected attribute in sheet level. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Next one. If you want to provide the TDM column, if you want to provide the TDM column, if you want to provide the TDM column, if you want to create the TDM column, yeah. If you want to create the TDM column, yeah. right click on sheet level, right click on column level. See, right click on column level, not sheet level, guys. Okay, on that sheet, name is there. Right click on column level. Select the column chooser. 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 Then it should be displayed. Then it should be displayed different types of columns. Then it should be displayed different types of column. Then it should be displayed different types of column. We need to drag and drop the expected column. We need to drag and drop the expected column. We need to drag and drop the expected column in sheet level. See, guys, we need to drag and drop the expected column in sheet level. We need to drag and drop the expected column in sheet level. Then it should be displayed TDM column. We need to drag and drop the expected column in sheet level. Then it should be displayed TDM column. Then it should be displayed TDM column. Okay. Then it should be displayed TDM column. Yeah. Next line. Before convert we need to select the all attribute checkbox. Before convert, we need to select all. We need to select all attributes. Before convert, we need to select all attributes. Before select, see guys on the screen, we need to select all attributes. Then only right click on the sheet level. 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 It should be displayed. Then only right click on the sheet level. It should be displayed one tricentennial symbol in bracket. One tricentennial symbol in bracket. Create schema for TDM. It should be displayed one tricentennial symbol bracket. Create schema for TDM. Create schema for TDM. Next line. Next line. Once we click on the create schema for TDM, once we click on the create schema for TDM, then it should be displayed one pop-up, schema pop-up. Then it should be displayed one schema pop-up. Then it should be displayed one schema pop-up. Then it should be displayed one schema pop-up. Click on OK button. Click on OK button. Click on OK button. Okay, done. Next one. We need to create a class in folder level. We need to create a class in folder level. We need to create a class in folder level. We need to create a class in folder level. Under the folder, under the folder, under the folder, under the folder, provide expected attribute. Under the folder, provide expected attributes. Provide expected attributes. Okay, next one. Provide expected attributes. Before converting, we need to select all the attributes, before converting. We need to select all the attributes, and right click on the class level. Right click on the class level and right click on the class level and click on create a schema for TDM. Click on create a schema for TDM. Click on create a schema for TDM. Once we convert both, in bracket sheet comma class. Once we convert both, sheet comma class in bracket, sheet comma class in bracket. Okay, yeah, next one. In test case design level, we need to right click. In test case design level, we need to right click and select the show TDM object editor. Show TDM object editor. Show TDM object editor. Right click on test case design level and select the show TDM object editor. Show TDM object editor. Show TDM object editor. Okay. Then it should be displayed. Then it should be displayed. Like aeroplane. Then it should be displayed. One test data management format. 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 In this test data management, in this TDM, we are able to insert the expected data. We are able to insert the expected data. Okay, we are able to insert the expected data. So that is the issue. Project. Issues and create everything is there, only that one test data management is not there. I think that is only available for that one, only that option is available. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Guys, do you have any doubts? Please text me here. You guys are able to validate in your mission TDM is available or not. Okay. Once you guys are create the software, create and drag and drop the TDM. Okay, TDM column, and after that you need to verify. Okay, that is okay. If I have an access, immediately it should be displayed. One TDM, create a schema for TDM option like this. Okay, one symbol. Already I show you the symbol. The symbol it should be displayed. But here we didn't get that one. So that is only available, only open paid version. If you guys are getting the symbol, okay, please tell me anybody, you people are able to get that symbol. Anybody? Do you have any queries or any doubts? Please tell me. And one, you guys are please do practice, guys. Okay. And what I was discussed, you guys are able to practice, everyone. And Ramya need to share the notes up to now what I was discussed. And reminding guys, if you have any queries or if you have any doubts, if you have any doubts and if you have any queries, please tell me, guys. Or else, all the best for your future. If you guys are getting the job, and please inform through email. And or else if you guys are getting any doubt while executing the scripts, you guys are take the screenshot and send to my email ID anilkumar57 anilkumartesting57 @gmail.com. Okay, is it clear? And you guys are need to create the test manual test cases and automation test cases. Both you need to create. Okay. Any queries or any doubts, guys? You don't have any questions? Okay. And Mehatas, that is the issue in your mission. You need to verify the TDM is available or not. Mehatas, in your mission, TDM is available. Schema is option is available. Yeah, that is the problem. Basically, once we right click on here, one option it should be displayed. The option is the symbol, and the symbol is name is the create a schema for, and TDM column also is not there. Right click on here, and if you want, once you delete this one, okay, once you delete this one, only TDM is displaying. The TDM is available here. The TDM it should not display. Okay, and right click on here, column chooser and TDM filter. Just you guys are drag and drop here. Okay, like this, you guys are drag and drop like this. That is the issue. Okay. Is it clear, guys? All the best for your future, guys. In future, if you have any queries, okay, while practicing, and please send a mail. Okay, I will respond. Okay, thank you, one and all. Okay, bye. Thank you very much. Yes, absolutely correct. I will share in Google Classroom interview questions. Thank you, Mehtas. Thank you very much. Okay. I will share the interview questions in Google Classroom today, end of the day. Today, end of the day. All the interview questions I will discuss in Google Classroom. Yeah, sure, Sunil. I will do. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you very much. And thank you very much to all. Actually, we are expecting 40 days. Okay. The 40 days almost crossed 50 days. We are reached already nearby 2 months. Okay. I actually, that is the problem is occurred. Some people while explain that one, some people are unable to understand. That's why it will be take some time. That is the issue. Okay, basically the course duration is the 40 days is enough. Okay, but I was taking more nearby 2 months I did. Okay, that is the problem. Basically I was explained three types of frameworks, and modular and data driven and a hybrid framework. The frameworks it take more than 1 week. That is the problem. And at the same time I was discuss notes also, main thing that one. Okay, when I say like that, the notes it will be take more time. That is also problem. Okay, yeah, always everything is fine, everything is going fine. Okay, and complete notes I provided. Okay, complete notes I provided, and I will share that notes to you in Google Classroom. Just you need to click on that one window pop-up. If you got a window pop-up, any window pop-up, just scan that OK button and click. You guys are apply the OK. Click apply the OK. Okay. Thank you very much to all. All the best for your future. Okay. In future, if you want to learn, my best suggestion, you guys are able to learn Cypress. That is the future tool, the Tosca and Cypress. Okay. And Selenium, obviously, okay, that is also one of the crazy tool, the Selenium with the Java. Okay. And at the same time, you guys are able to learn Cypress. Yeah, Cypress, we need to write some piece of code. Okay. And if you want to write a Cypress, and we need to install the VS Code, this one. Okay. So the Cypress also is different, guys. The Cypress also same. This is the Cypress code. Okay. Launch the browser and get the title. Okay. Yeah, I will introduce the Cypress next month. I am going to plan. Okay. The Cypress I am going to plan next month. Okay. The first batch I will introduce the Cypress. Hey, yes, at Naresh IT. Okay. And actually, we are waiting for the slot for Cypress, but we do. I was informed to them, management people. Okay, they will provide slot. Okay, maybe I am expecting next month. Then definitely I am able to discuss next month. Okay, why? Because guys, the Tosca with Cypress is the next future. Okay, you guys are able to learn better. And coming to the Selenium with Java, that is obviously the Selenium with Java is the that is crazy tool. Okay, we have always calls for that one. Okay, and Cypress, asking the so many people are asking automation Selenium or manual with the Tosca also. Okay, so you guys are, please do practice properly. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much, all the best. Okay, bye. Thank you, Venkat.